Hey guys, what's up? Good afternoon. How you guys doing? So for me, I'm looking beautiful, right? Yeah, that's how I am. Okay, you guys. So I want to make small okra soup. Okay. Let me begin my own marathon of cooking. Let me see how many hours I'm going to. Alright, we're going to stay because I and my husband were here in the kitchen. So we are making okra plus some vegetables like bitter leaf, uzuza, intestine, and plenty other stuff. Okay, so let me turn the camera around and show you guys the okra that I'm blending. I already blended the okra. I've been blending it for quite some time, so we're gisting with my party. And I'm like, okay, let's vlog. Let me vlog. Okay, let me vlog the cooking and blah blah. Okay. So dry fish to make the soup. Since the okra that will, I've actually not finished blending that. Did I say blend? Creating it, so this has some of it that are there. Alright guys, so this is the protein that we're going to be using to cook this very small soup. I have beef, stockfish, and of course some intestine here. Okay. So my husband is handling some part of this cooking and I'm handling some part of this cooking. But who is actually the chef? My husband is actually Weaver.
Because we're doing it together.
Okay, we're doing it together. But you're the one that washed all the soup. Right? My husband is not putting on clothes, so I'm not going to be turning the camera. Okay? Till he goes to, until he's ready, I'll go put on clothes. Okay? So you guys, how have you guys been doing? It's actually quite a while. I've not been frequent, like back to back, you know, the way I used to. I love to, and I do. Okay. But bear with me, okay? I'm coming back with full force and all energy very soon. Very soon.
Yeah, we should not going to add and buy more first.
Okay.
The protein is split. So that the soup can start with this.
Yeah.
So this one is very small.
I think so too. Over my stomach.
You want
But this chewing gum too is
the second?
no, it's making me more hungry.
I saw what we're going to do. I'll reduce part of it, then that's I'll reduce part of it this time. I can be cooking the protein.
Yeah. Like I'm almost done with this blending of this thing.
Fine, right?
It does not, the
600.
blending this thing does not take time. I say blending, creating it does not take time for me. No, I'll finish. Alright guys, so I've actually put in a little water that actually done my okra, but meanwhile I used bitter leaf. I love to use bitter leaf because of the flavor, and plus I like a little bit of bitter thing in my mouth. Okay, so that's why I'm using bitter leaf, okay, for this okra soup. And then spicing it up with some ozuza leaf. You guys, the smell of this ozuza leaf is just everything to me right now. Smells good. So my husband has actually abandoned the kitchen for me. So it's just me now that is in the kitchen. He saw that I had a little strength. He said, "Madam, I pick on you, yeah, and they come. I like when they come." So I was going to take his bath. He wants to go out. I have to just sieve out the water, and then I'll cut it. Basically, my soup is almost ready. Qual que é esse daqui? E esse daqui? Guys, like my soup is done. I need to put all the vegetables. I've not even tested it because it's my husband that actually seasoned the meat. Yeah, so I'm very sure. I'm sure my husband is very accurate when it comes to seasoning meat. Come close to the pot. I'm so happy I got the strength to do this. So. That's why my husband ran and left him. My soup is almost done. Like it's literally done. Yeah. So I think I'm gonna allow it simmer, like boil. I'm so hungry, my body's becoming weak. Later.